For years, the world has watched in awe as China's economic juggernaut has flexed its muscles, disrupting industry after industry with an unrelenting drive for innovation and global dominance. From smartphones to renewable energy, the sleeping dragon has awoken, and its reach now extends to the very heart of one of America's most iconic industries, automotive manufacturing. They have been the giant, and have been producing eco-friendly and economical EVs over the years. But there's a twist in this electrifying tale, a shocking revelation that threatens to shake the very foundation of this utopian vision. The Biden administration has just dropped a bombshell that will reverberate through the annals of automotive history. In a move that has sent shockwaves rippling across the globe, the United States has decided to quadruple the tariffs on Chinese electric vehicles imported into the country. Yes, you heard that right. A fourfold increase in the taxes imposed on these innovative, eco-friendly marvels of engineering. It's a decision that has left the automotive world reeling, questioning the motives and consequences of such a bold maneuver. As we delve deeper into this tale, allow me to pose a few burning questions that are undoubtedly swirling in your minds. How will this seismic shift affect the American auto industry and its workforce? Will it serve as a bulwark against the rising tide of Chinese EVs, shielding domestic manufacturers from the onslaught of affordable foreign competition? Or will it merely create new challenges and opportunities, reshaping the landscape of sustainable transportation in unexpected ways? And what fate awaits the much-anticipated BYD Seagull and Shark Truck, two vehicles that have captured the imaginations of car enthusiasts and environmentalists alike, promising to bring electric mobility within reach of the masses? Worry no more. The answers are here. You see, for decades, the American auto industry has been a hallowed institution, a symbol of ingenuity, innovation, and good old-fashioned elbow grease. From the era of Henry Ford's Model T to the sleek, futuristic designs of today, the United States has long been a powerhouse in the world of automotive manufacturing, a source of pride and economic strength. However, in recent years, a new challenger has emerged from the East, one that threatens to upend the established order and rewrite the rules of the game. Chinese automakers, fueled by a relentless pursuit of progress, a deep well of financial resources, and a burgeoning domestic market, have been making significant inroads into the global arena. Their electric vehicles, boasting cutting-edge technology, sleek designs, and tantalizing price points, have captured the attention of consumers worldwide. And at the forefront of this charge stands BYD, a company whose very name has become synonymous with affordable, sustainable transportation. Enter the BYD Seagull, a compact and sleek electric marvel that promises to redefine the notion of affordability in the EV realm. With a price tag that would make even the most frugal consumer do a double-take, this little gem has the potential to democratize electric mobility, bringing it within reach of those who once thought such dreams were but a distant fantasy. Boasting a range of over 300 miles and a top speed of 90 miles per hour, the Seagull packs a punch that belies its diminutive stature, proving that good things can indeed come in small packages. But the Seagull is not the only ace up BYD's sleeve. The Shark Truck, a rugged and versatile electric pickup, has been turning heads with its unique design and impressive capabilities. Imagine a vehicle that can tackle the toughest terrains while leaving a minimal carbon footprint, a true embodiment of the marriage between brawn and environmental responsibility. With its angular lines and muscular stance, the Shark Truck is a testament to the ingenuity of Chinese engineers, blending utility and sustainability in a way that was once thought impossible. And here's where the plot thickens. BYD has a manufacturing plant nestled in the heart of Mexico, a strategic move that could potentially circumvent the very tariffs imposed by the Biden administration on Chinese imports. It's a tantalizing prospect, one that has set tongues wagging and pundits speculating about the potential ramifications. Could this be the loophole that allows BYD to maintain a foothold in the lucrative American market, defying the barriers erected by the new tariff regime? As we navigate this electrifying saga, It's crucial to understand the intricate tapestry of motivations and consequences that underlie this bold decision by the Biden administration. On one hand, the move could be seen as a protective measure, shielding the American auto industry and its workforce from the onslaught of affordable Chinese EVs. By making these imports more expensive, domestic manufacturers may gain a competitive edge, allowing them to breathe new life into their operations, revitalize their production lines, and reignite the flames of innovation. However, critics argue that this move could have unintended consequences, potentially stifling the widespread adoption of electric vehicles and hindering the global push towards a more sustainable future. After all, affordability has been a major barrier to EV adoption, and Chinese manufacturers like BYD have been instrumental in breaking down these financial barriers, making electric mobility accessible to a wider range of consumers. As the debate rages on, economists and industry experts weigh in, offering their perspectives on the potential impacts of this tariff hike. Some argue that it could lead to job losses and plant closures in the American auto industry as manufacturers grapple with the added costs and adjust their pricing strategies. Others contend that it will spur domestic innovation, encouraging American carmakers to double down on their efforts to develop competitive and affordable electric vehicles to meet the growing demand. Meanwhile, environmental advocates and climate activists voice their concerns, fearing that the increased cost associated with these Chinese EVs could slow down the transition away from fossil fuels, hindering progress towards a more sustainable future. They argue that the widespread adoption of electric vehicles is crucial in the fight against climate change, and any barriers to affordability could have far-reaching consequences for the planet. Amidst this whirlwind of change and competing interests, one question looms large. Will the Biden administration's tariff hike truly keep out Chinese EVs? Or will it simply create new opportunities for savvy manufacturers like BYD to exploit loopholes and circumvent these barriers? Some experts speculate that the Mexican plant could be the key to BYD's continued presence in the American market, allowing them to bypass the tariffs and maintain their competitive edge. Others suggest that Chinese automakers may explore alternative strategies, such as establishing joint ventures with domestic manufacturers or pursuing legal challenges to the tariff regime. The possibilities are endless, and the automotive landscape is poised for a seismic shift, with players on all sides jockeying for position and seeking to gain the upper hand. As the world watches with bated breath, one thing is certain: the ripple effects of this decision will be felt far and wide, reverberating through supply chains, boardrooms, and consumer markets alike. Automakers, policymakers, and consumers alike will be forced to adapt to this new reality, navigating the complex web of economic, environmental, and political considerations. For American workers in the auto industry, the stakes are high. While some may view the tariffs as a lifeline safeguarding their jobs and ensuring the continued viability of their employers, others fear the potential for layoffs and plant closures as companies grapple with increased costs and shifting market dynamics. Union leaders and labor advocates will undoubtedly be keeping a close eye on developments, ready to advocate for the interests of their members and fight for job security in this rapidly evolving landscape. Meanwhile, consumers find themselves caught in the crosshairs of this geopolitical tug-of-war. Those who have been eagerly awaiting the arrival of affordable electric vehicles like the BYD Seagull may find themselves priced out of the market, forced to reconsider their transportation options. Others, concerned about the environmental impact of traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, may feel a sense of frustration as the path to sustainable mobility becomes more challenging. As we approach the end of this electrifying journey, allow me to leave you with a final thought. Change is inevitable, and those who embrace it with open arms are the ones who will shape the future. Whether you're a die-hard supporter of American manufacturing or a fervent advocate for affordable, sustainable transportation, one thing is clear: the world of electric vehicles is about to enter a new era, one filled with challenges, opportunities, and promise. The question remains whether this bold move by the Biden administration will revitalize the U.S. auto industry, or will it hinder the adoption of affordable electric vehicles? We all wait for the outcome. And the end of today's video has come as well. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on the latest developments in this electrifying saga and more automotive news from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.